Welcome to AI for Business, where we bring you the latest AI news and AI tools that matter for your work. Today, we have several important stories to share, including Mark Zuckerberg's prediction that AI will handle half of Meta's coding, California uses AI to ease traffic, WorldCoin reveals a new ID device, and top firms clash over AI benchmarks. We'll also spotlight an AI tool that offers fast, affordable graphic and video content, and share a prompt tip to explore how changing writing rules can reveal stronger ideas. One of the biggest updates this week came from Mark Zuckerberg, who shared a bold prediction about how Meta will build software in the near future. At LlamaCon, Meta's first AI event for developers, Zuckerberg said he expects AI to handle about half of all software work at Meta by 2026. He made this comment during a discussion with Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, who added that AI currently writes between 20 to 30% of Microsoft's code, including full projects in some cases. Zuckerberg's idea goes further than just using AI to write code. He described a setup where Meta engineers act more like team leaders, each working with their own group of AI agents that do most of the actual coding. If two of the biggest tech companies are already relying on AI for a large part of their coding, others might follow soon. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai also shared that AI now writes about a quarter of Google's code. This shows how quickly AI is becoming part of the core systems these companies use, not just for the products they offer, but for how they build those products internally. Next, California is using AI to help solve one of its biggest problems: traffic congestion. Governor Gavin Newsom recently announced new AI initiatives that aim to make commuting less painful for residents across the Golden State. As part of his executive order on AI, the state has partnered with 3 major AI companies. The California Department of Transportation, or Caltrans, will use Microsoft's Azure OpenAI to study traffic data. The goal is to cut down congestion, respond faster to accidents, and improve public transit. Caltrans is also teaming up with Google's Gemini AI through a contract with Deloitte Consulting. This effort focuses on predicting and preventing traffic incidents and finding better safety solutions for California's highways. The initiatives extend beyond roadways, too. The California Department of Tax and Fee Administration is bringing Anthropic's Claude AI assistant to its call centers, building on a pilot program that showed promising results in reducing customer wait times. Newsom emphasized that these AI tools won't replace state workers, but instead support them in a collaborative partnership. This approach aligns with the state's work alongside SEIU Local 1000, the union representing California state employees. California has previously partnered with NVIDIA on AI solutions and education, showing the state's ongoing commitment to technology adoption. Following this phase of implementation, California plans to expand AI use to address housing issues, workforce planning, and bill analysis. For a state known for its tech innovation and infamous traffic jams, these AI initiatives represent a natural next step in finding new solutions to old problems. Tools for Humanity, the startup co-founded by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, has introduced a new device aimed at solving a growing problem in our digital world, telling humans and AI apart. At their At Last event in San Francisco, the company unveiled the Orb Mini, a mobile verification device that looks similar to a smartphone but features 2 large sensors designed to scan users' eyeballs. The idea behind World is straightforward. As AI becomes more advanced, it will eventually become impossible to distinguish between humans and AI online. To address this challenge, World is building digital proof of human tools. After scanning your eyeball with either the original Orb or now the more portable Orb Mini, you receive a unique ID on the blockchain that verifies you're human. Co-founder Alex Blania said they may later turn the Orb Mini into a mobile payment device. They might also allow other companies to use the sensor technology. World is expanding in the United States, opening verification centers in cities such as Austin, Miami, and San Francisco. The company says 26 million people have signed up around the world, with 12 million already verified. A big question is whether this project will one day connect with Altman's other company, OpenAI. This could bring together identity checks and advanced AI tools. A controversy is brewing in the AI benchmarking world after researchers from Cohere, Stanford, MIT, and AI2 published a study accusing LM Arena of unfair practices. LM Arena, which runs the well-known chatbot Arena benchmark, is accused of favoring large AI companies like Meta, OpenAI, and Google. According to the study, these companies were allowed to test several versions of their models in private before making them public. They then chose to share only the best results. This gave them an advantage in ranking high on the leaderboard, while other groups didn't get the same chance. The researchers claim Meta was able to privately test 27 different model variants between January and March leading up to their Llama 4 release. But Meta only shared the result of one model, the one that ranked near the top. LM Arena has strongly denied these allegations, calling the study full of inaccuracies and questionable analysis. The organization maintains they are committed to fair, community-driven evaluations, and that all model providers have equal opportunity to submit models for testing. The authors of the study suggest changes to improve fairness at Chatbot Arena. These include limiting private tests and making sure all models join the same number of evaluation rounds. As benchmarks become more important in the AI space, this situation raises questions about whether evaluation systems can stay fair and unbiased while facing pressure from big tech companies. Today's AI tool to try is No Limit Creatives. If you need quality design work but don't want the hassle of running an in-house team, this platform could be a good option. No Limit Creatives gives businesses affordable access to both graphic and video design services. It has a large team of designers who can handle a wide range of projects. They create everything from social media ads and Amazon product visuals to motion graphics and packaging designs. This makes it useful for businesses that need different types of creative work without hiring a separate expert for each task. The platform is built to meet the needs of different industries and helps create designs that speak to their audiences. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about creating better results by setting boundaries, then carefully breaking them. This method can help you create more interesting content when working with AI. Start by setting very strict rules for your AI prompts. Be clear about word count, sentence structure, and writing style. For example, first ask for a 200-word caption using only simple sentences, with no emotion or creative language. Then, ask for a new version that still follows the 200-word rule but allows emotion, metaphors, and expressive writing. This small change can make a big difference in the result, and useful when you want to see how different writing styles affect your message. And that's the end of today's episode of AI for Business. Thanks for joining us as we covered the latest AI news and AI tools to help you stay updated. If you found this helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. Feel free to share this with colleagues or friends who might also find it useful. We'd also appreciate it if you could leave a quick review, as your feedback helps others discover the show and helps us improve. Thanks again for listening. We'll catch you in the next episode tomorrow.